super excited for the newest addition to the L'Oreal Paris Crystal range. I have been using their Micro Essence since a year now and I absolutely love this product, and this product has become one of my essential products for skincare routine. I love the texture of the Micro Essence. It feels like water, guys. It seeps into the skin and feels so comfortable. Most importantly, it is non-oily. Now L'Oreal Paris have come up with their newest addition, that is the Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream, guys. This is so good, you guys. I'll come to that part, but let me give you an introduction on what this product is. The main ingredient of this product is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is so good for oily skin.
Salicylic acid treats acne. It has the ability to deep clean excess oil out of the pores and reduce oil production. Salicylic acid keeps pores clean and unclogged it. It prevents further whiteheads and blackheads from developing, which is the main problem of oily skin girls.
And there are not many salicylic acid creams available in the market right now. This is a water-based oil-free formula that locks in moisture without building up on the excess oil, which leads to breakouts. It is very lightweight and comfortable on the skin as well. I use this cream daily in my skincare routine and foundation sits beautifully on top of this cream. I'm so in love with it. I rave about this product to my friends and they ask me, how your skin is so good? And I'm like, I'm using the right products for my oily skin. And this is one of the right product for oily skin. This gel cream penetrates 10 layers deep. It refines, purifies and minimizes the pores for crystal clear skin. Pores, clogged pores, open pores are something that oily skin people deal with. And guys, try this gel cream in your daily skincare routine. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And most importantly, this controls oil up to 8 hours. What more do you need? And this is best suited for combination to oily skin types. So now let me show you the consistency, the texture of the cream. It comes in this glass jar. You could see the gel cream. It looks beautiful, isn't it, guys? When you touch it, it feels like super soft and jelly. So, this is the consistency of the cream. It is not oily. It is not at all sticky. It is not at all sticky, you guys. It feels so comfortable on the skin. It is lightweight. See, it sits beautifully on the skin, and after that makeup sits on so beautifully. And also it gets absorbed very quickly. Just a little massage and you're done. So guys, on a freshly cleansed face, I'm gonna apply the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Micro Essence, Crystal Micro Essence on my skin. So this is my third bottle, I guess. It's new. I'm gonna take few drops on my palm and rub it between my palm and then press it against my skin. This is how I've been using it. Don't forget your neck. So now the product has completely absorbed onto my skin. I'm gonna do the second step, which is our Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. Love it, guys. Love the texture, love the consistency of this cream. So good for my oily skin. Keeping it back in place. Massaging the gel cream on my skin. It's lightweight, as you can see. It's not making my oily skin even more oilier. Usually most of the moisturizers in the market does that, but this one is so good. Wow. Can you guys see that? It is completely absorbed onto my skin. crystal clear skin achieved. I highly recommend you guys to try this one. This cream is clinically and dermatologically tested. It is validated and endorsed by renowned dermatologist Dr. Ophelia. This cream is free from parabens, colorants and synthetic dyes. As you can see, there is no synthetic dyes or colorants added to the gel cream. This cream is just pure. You could not find any colorants added to it. You could not find that light blue tint or any other color tint to it. It is just a pure gel. So if you're looking for a cream that is not oily, controls oil up to 8 hours, it is dermatologically tested, free from synthetic dyes and colorants and parabens, all you need is this one, guys. I have a very oily skin and this one is my savior. The gel cream is available in two sizes, 50 ml for 299 rupees and 50 ml for 699 rupees. Check out the links in the description box below. Do use this cream and let me know your comments, guys. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.